long vowel sound I, okay, our spelling pattern is another split digraph. Okay, we have the Y and E being split by another letter and sound, and this split digraph sound also makes the I sound. I. Okay, so we can find this sound in various words. It's not the most common, but it is still the long vowel sound I. Okay, so let's find this split digraph in some words. So the first one is type. Okay, type. I. Type. I. Type. I. Type. I type on my computer to type. I. Okay, the F joins the Y to make the I sound here. And the last sound we pronounce is the P sound. I type. Okay, next one is rhyme. Okay, rhyme. R. I. A lot going on with this word, so we'll go through it slowly. Okay, so R. The H is silent, the H is silent. We don't pronounce the H in this word. And then we have the split digraph I, where the F is joining the Y to make the I sound, and the last sound we pronounce is the M sound. R, I, M, rhyme. Okay, so remember the H is silent, and the H is silent, and we got the split digraph I, and then the last sound is M. R, I, M, rhyme. The song or poem, it rhymes. Okay, it rhymes, has rhyming words, maybe sad and bad. Okay, those are simple rhyming words there. Okay, and our last one is hairstyle. Hairstyle. Okay. H, E, S, T, I, O. Okay, hairstyle. Again, a lot going on with this one phonetically. Okay, it's quite a long one. We've got hair, which can be a word by itself. Okay, with a trigraph here. Hair. And we got style as well. St. Okay, we got adjacent consonants, so we need to blend them quickly together. St. To make the st sound, we got the split digraph I, joining the Y to make the I sound. Okay, and the E is also part of another sound. So the E is part of two sounds. It's part of the I split digraph, and it's part of the O sound. Okay, so hairstyle. Hair, st, I, O, hairstyle. Remember the F is part of two sounds, part of the I and part of the O sound. St, I, O, hairstyle. Okay, so how many letters does hairstyle have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters. How many sounds? St, I, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sounds there. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Make sure you're practicing along with me at home. Like always, we've got I, type, type, rhyme, rhyme, and hairstyle, hairstyle. Hairstyle. Okay, this is my hairstyle, my hair type. Okay, usually I just let it grow and don't worry about it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.